Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob. You can practice your listening and understanding as I speak, so let's get started. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build slowly through experience, mistakes, and small wins that add up over time. Many people think confident people never feel fear, but that is not true. Confidence is moving forward even when fear is still there. Stay with me because this part is important. Confidence starts with how you talk to yourself. If your inner voice is always negative, your actions become smaller. But when you speak to yourself with patience and respect, your confidence grows naturally. You don't need to lie to yourself. You just need to be fair. Most confidence problems come from comparison. You look at others and think they are ahead, better, or more successful, but you don't see their struggles, their doubts, or their slow days. You only see the results. This next idea might change how you see confidence. Real confidence comes from progress, not perfection. Doing something slightly better than yesterday is enough. You don't need a big transformation. You need consistency. Confidence also grows when you keep promises to yourself. When you say you will do something and actually do it, even if it is small, your self-trust increases. And self-trust is the foundation of confidence. Don't skip this. It connects everything together. Many people wait until they feel confident before they act, but confidence usually comes after action, not before it. You act first, then confidence follows. Even confident people feel unsure sometimes. The difference is that they don't stop. They continue despite the doubt. That habit changes everything. Pay attention here. This is very practical. Confidence improves when you accept mistakes instead of hiding from them. Mistakes don't mean you're weak. They mean you're learning. Every mistake gives you information, and information makes you stronger. Another important part of confidence is comfort with discomfort. Growth always feels uncomfortable at first. Speaking, trying something new, or showing your ideas will feel awkward. That feeling is not danger, it is growth. If you're still listening, you're doing great. Confidence also changes with environment. If you're always around negativity, your confidence slowly drops. But when you surround yourself with supportive voices, learning spaces, or positive content, your confidence becomes more stable. You don't need to be loud to be confident. Confidence can be calm. It can be quiet. It can simply be knowing who you are and where you are going. All right, everyone, that's it for today on Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, and I hope this helped you practice your listening skills. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you next time.